I like to design spaces that breathe, soften, and embrace. This one-bedroom condo in the east belongs to a frequent traveler who wanted a space that will always welcome her home. Pastel tones add softness, gentle curves, soft corners, and arches guide the eye, wrapping the rooms in a cocoon of calm. The space feels both elegant and easy, light yet soothing. Every detail is intentional, quietly balancing style with comfort. Sophistication with warmth. Because at the end of the day, home should feel like a big hug. A place that holds you close each time you return.